Digital marketing, it simply means marketing that's online. So things like SEO, social media, email, and your business listings.
And in this video, we'll show you how to build a digital marketing plan for your small business using AI-powered tools that make you look like Amy, a marketing genius. But before you craft the most glorious digital marketing plan in human history, ask yourself, who do you want to talk to?
Who are they? What makes them laugh, cry, or push the add to cart button?
Don't forget about those sales.
Yeah, add to cart. So try writing a few simple personas, which will help you market to the right customers. If you need hand figuring it out, GoDaddy AeroPlus Marketing Consultant can help you nail it.
And once you know your audience, you're ready to build your digital marketing plan, starting with,
I know.
SEO,
I know.
search engine optimization. It's the secret sauce for getting found on Google.
It's all about using the right keywords on your website, in your blogs, even how you write your product descriptions. You want to make sure that your content matches exactly what people are searching for.
Good news, we've done a video on this in a previous episode of The Journey. Check it out right there.
So moving on to social media, another key element of your digital marketing plan.
And we love social media. Social media marketing is about connecting with your customers. And not just that, it's about educating them and building trust over time.
My biggest tip for social media marketing that I tell people is to find your group. Creating content, it can really be a daunting task.
Truly.
You want to really experiment and play around until you find really what feels authentic and right for you and your brand. And don't forget to lean into the tools that help you save time. Having AI help with creating your social media calendar.
Oh yeah.
Creating your social media content. It really is a time saver.
And the goal is for your followers to start recognizing your posts in their feed.
Be consistent. It takes time to start seeing those results. Be patient with yourself.
Can't stress that enough. And we get asked a lot, what is the difference between social media and paid media?
Social media is mostly organic. So you're building your presence over time. Paid media is when you want to put some money behind your posts so that you can reach more people faster. So this is often what is referred to as boosting content. So platforms like Meta and Google Ads, they let you target specific demographics, specific interests, geographies, even behavior.
Okay, so no more throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping it sticks.
Paid media is really like turbocharging your marketing. And the good news?
Tell me.
It does not have to break the bank. Even a few dollars, just a few, can go a really long way.
Next up, email marketing. And email is not dead.
No, email is alive and well. The magic of email is really about nurturing your leads. So if someone visits your site and they sign up for your newsletter, your emails, well, they're gonna keep your business top of mind month after month.
So the trick with email, make them personal. Talk to followers like humans, not inboxes. And this is your chance to be you.
Email's a great opportunity to make your business look legit as well. You want to connect your email to your domain. So think Emma at emmalovespizza.com.
Sounds pretty professional.
Right? Versus emmalovespizza at gmail.com.
Just getting started. That's what that tells me.
Is that real?
Yeah.
Is that a safe person to send my information to?
Is that a safe slice of pizza?
Yeah. So one says professional, legit business. The other says, hey, I made this on my couch. People will love knowing why you started your business. So share it.
Right. Give them something worth opening. And over time, you'll build trust, loyalty, and yep, more sales. Cha-ching!
You want to know the final piece of your beautiful digital marketing plan?
I sure do.
Business listings.
Yeah, business listings are your accounts on Google Business Profile, Yelp, and other local directories where people search for what you sell.
So yesterday I needed a plumber. I found someone that had their hours listed, they had their website, they had their location, and they had their contact information. It was all accurate and it was all up to date. So I called them, they were there in about 90 minutes, and they left with a big check and a glowing review from me. What have we covered? SEO,
Yep.
paid social, email marketing, and business listing. Those are 4 heavy-hitting pillars to an amazing marketing plan.
Yes, and if you have questions about any of those digital marketing pillars, please leave comments below. Amy's gonna be looking out for them. She's the expert, she wants to answer them.
Happy to answer questions.
And all of this is totally doable. So go forth and be unstoppable.